Yeah, see like this one?
You have no thread.
Just show them. Show how sloppy it is.
Yeah, see?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
It don't
Anyways,
fit.
it is day 3, the final push. Nothing has been done overnight. The gnomes did not complete what they said they were going to. Kind of pissed about it. So it is exactly where we left it last night. It sounds like we're going to try to get the wiring harness worked in and on the headliner and the dash pad out, and possibly the bed on, just depending on how far we're going with it.
Yeah. And how many distractions we have throughout the day.
We're supposed to have a visitor, so we'll see.
Yeah. If all else fails, I would really like to hear it just run, turn over, but that's optimistic, so we'll see. But go from there.
Watching the back of my head.
I know. How long have you been working at that, Frank? What are you trying to take off?
The dash pad.
Yeah. How many bolts are in there?
Well, there's a lot of nuts.
A lot of nuts.
You want to see these nuts? You want to see these nuts?
Yeah.
They're real small. Look at all my nuts. It's a lot of them.
You must have been collecting them for a while.
You gotta come up.
They're studs up front.
Did you hear that? They said there's studs up front. I don't know about that.
I'm a stud up front. Side of the car? Kind of reworn the same sweatshirt pretty much all weekend, so it just looks like we've been working at this the whole time, running on monsters this whole weekend.
Yeah, we did this all in one day.
Yeah, you can see it. We're so fit quick. We don't even, it's
Time just kind of like stands still.
4:48.
Yeah, one is.
But Caleb is rewrapping. Well, he's gonna have Corona Mike.
Greg Andrews.
Corona Greg
Greg.
Andrews is gonna rewrap the headliner and the dash pad. They might call it something different in the Ford world, but that's it. Turn up in the news. Did you notate?
So what is that?
It's an accordion.
I don't.
It's the heater hose. Goes up to
Ear
the.
hose or the defroster vent tubing?
Whoa. So do they pump up heat through this hose, or do they pump up defrosting?
Defrosted heat.
It's the. I'm sure. Yes. For the defrosting section here. Let's try it.
Nope, you don't get it.
Well, we might need to look at that.
Oh, this
It's
is
a little gummed up on the back. I can see it back there. At least it's stuck in heat. The Bifrost is stuck. The Bifrost, yeah. Remember Thor? I didn't watch that one.
watch what?
I did not watch that one. You can cut those. There's a speaker wire to go to the back. We can probably turn some new ones back here. So this is our new American wire wiring harness for the truck. Pretty much comes completely complete. New battery terminal setup, starter cable. Comes with new relays, high beam switch, high and low beam switch, headlight switch, ignition, wiper, and all your terminal kits so that you can cut to length kind of where you want it. So yeah, started pulling the old stuff out. Frank's on the inside, pulling out more. He's in there somewhere. Yeah, he's on his back, like normal. Out with the old, ready to go back with the new.
Yeah, that's it! Pick this up.
Okay. Why did you go get all that out and you literally...
I know, you're right. Let's don't get it out. Let's fuck our back up. Is this a heavy run?
I thought you were in pawpaw.
Wherever you want to grab, I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Did you hit record or we gotta take this back off?
Yeah, I was saying. I don't know.
I sure did.
We're sitting on the tires, aren't we? Yep, sure. Oh yeah.
That's tired.
Nobody measured that shit.
It's the inside.
Yep. It's not far enough out. I need bigger spacers. Bring it back out.
Test it. Oh, that was fun.
Well, alrighty.
Need more offset wheels.
Or you need more,
Well,
what did
okay,
you
so
call
why
it?
don't we could jack it up, take the wheels off, and then mount it and go.
Oh, the front's different?
Or what do you want to do? Or do you want to do that at all? No.
No, we can't.
Guys, we have a lathe right there. Just make some spacers.
Just put it on rims. Just take the wheels off. Tires.
Look at that. I get all this free labor. How did I get all this?
You get so lucky.
How did I get so lucky?
Celebrity.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a
Is
celebrity.
it my status?
What's that when you play fucking beer pong? Celebrity pong.
I don't know.
Some good old
Good old boys.
There's some good old engineering going on here.
What's the combo you're using?
This did 3. We'll see. Guess we can keep that for the outside.
Just put 2 up real quick and you can just measure the inside.
There you go.
Yeah, till you don't do anything about it, and then
Let's go drive it. Hey Frank, you want us to drive it first?
no, definitely you.
Probably get there. We'll get it all up to it.
Oh, Roger.
There goes the paint. See what happened
Sure, I want
was
him working on the S2000?
you all lowered it and didn't tell me about it.
Scratching the paint in broad daylight.
Should be self-centering with those tires.
You need to go forward some or what?
Yeah. This is like a, is there an isolator or something?
No. There should be, there's some little channels.
Well, I'll make a good blocking the camera there.
Huh?
What you got there? What you seeing?
You want to go forward?
I mean, we can, we're not. How far?
I don't know. I need a light. Give me a light. Lights, camera, action. Ooh, it's cold down there.
Don't want to cough. He's just a smoker.
Oh, look at that placement of that line. Yeah, I'm wondering if it's too
Sits-
short.
That cut on the frame to the little lip here doesn't look like it can go much farther unless you push down on your side, I guess.
Yeah.
This one looks like it's just clear.
Just bang her down a little way.
So you lift up in the back a little bit.
No, I think you need to lift up in the front and then push it forward.
What?
What?
Come look at the cab and the truck.
Hey, what? I don't know.
Right up here and narrow down here.
There's a fucking line up there. Narrow down there. I can't even see the bolt.
That's fantastic. It has to have a spacer back here or something.
It could. It's. Don't tell Grandpa, but.
Well, we can't see the horse. Oh, we gotta go backwards. We gotta go backwards, like, keep going. Keep going, right there. Down.
No. I don't think so, Tim.
Bible. That's to get to that back hole.
We have the back hole. Let's look at some other ones.
Huh?
It needs to go forward a lot.
This one, that one, and that one. should be-
Let's just say,
You got an extended cab.
the entire boot would fall down between
Yeah.
the cab.
You hold your boots back there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, push forward then. You're not going for the rear bolt hole then at all.
Okay.
Okay, down. Oh, no, back.
Nope, you need to go up that high.
Yeah, you're too high.
No, right there.
Back.
No,
I'm good.
It's gotta set.
we're good.
It's going. It's on the lip. It's on the frame.
It's supposed to be.
It's right there.
It's supposed to be.
It is.
I don't know.
It is not
I can't
supposed
see
to be
it. I
up there.
can't see it. the whole
It
line.
needs to be that high.
It's
No shit.
close.
Yeah, we a little off.
Okay. A little more. A little more. Down there.
No, it doesn't need to go down. It needs to be up that high.
Well.
I need it on top of that frame.
Yeah. It's to sit on top of that frame. It looks like it's been sitting pretty close. Is that
Well then, where's the spacers at?
probably why this is rubbing up
Watch your
here?
finger.
Let's go to Walmart, go get some hockey pucks. Do they sell hockey pucks at Walmart?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Bought a hockey puck.
either.
That's why I asked. Well, I asked the guy who had it before. I said, "You actually put the bet on?" Oh yeah, I put it on.
secured securely.
Even though you never bolted it
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, I don't think you ever bolted it on. there,
Hold the
buddy.
shock line to the body line.
Nope.
that sits where it should.
Yeah, that's what
Mine
I mean.
was, yeah.
It needs to sit up that back on the back.
Yeah, that was a little confusing. It looked like it sat where it should have from underneath. Yeah, that looks much better.
Yeah, I can still maybe go forward just a hair.
I was keeping it from going in
Yeah.
further forward.
You're gonna be done with this trailer, right?
But yeah, you can bring it back.
Any big ideas?
Nope. We're gonna figure out how to get some new bolt holes.
Cut the frame, raise it up.